Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will explore how to use ChatGPT and how to make use of it to generate title, description and tags for your YouTube videos. So let's begin. First, open any browser and search for ChatGPT and press enter. Then click on the first link which you see on your desktop. And then you can choose from the options below login or sign up. I will choose sign up. After click on sign up, you can scroll down and see the option continue with Google. And after that, I will select one of my desired accounts from it. After that, you can see the interface which you see in ChatGPT. Now we can asking our questions right away. So first, for this video itself, I'll ask the question, for example, the title for this video. So I will write me a title for my video on ChatGPT. And now you can see that ChatGPT has generated a beautiful title for my video. So next we can write me a description, for example. So you can see that it remembers what it had said earlier, so we didn't have to write the sentence again. We had to just write a description for the same. So now what about some tags? So you can see ChatGPT has also given me beautiful relevant tags for my video. And then if you want, you can appreciate his work as I had did. And now I am going to ask it for some popular video ideas I can use for my next videos, and you can see it has given me a lot of ideas for my video: challenges video, vlog videos, reaction videos, educational content, crafting video, gaming videos and much more. So I will again search for more tech video ideas, and it's given me beautiful suggestions on tech videos with description and tags. So hope you liked this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and please subscribe.